Every year, countless children falling into the bowels, putting their lives at risk. We want to do something about it and developed a rescue robot to save children from bowels.
Meet Nishant of grade 9 and myself Varsha of grade 10 from Aditya Vidyashram Residential School in Puducherry. We will show you how we came across this project and how we built this robot.
Our project is simple to create a robot that can be safely rescue the child from the bowels.
We started researching and identifying the challenges while designing and building our own project.
We then worked together to design the robot with a 3D printed arm that can be folded and extended to reach the child.
This robot is occupied with camera, LED flashlight and oxygen pipe to ensure the child's safety. This is the another arm which can replaces that arm, because the child's hand, if suppose it is in smaller size, we can use this arm in the replacing of that arm. We can easily able to rescue a child.
In this project, we are using Tinkercad software to design the 3D printed arm. We can see step by step. In this project, we are using Pictoblox software to control the robot movements. In this project, we are using Arduino Nano to program the robot. And we set 30 number pin to close the flexible arm and 12 number pin to open the flexible arm. In this project, we are using Bluetooth module to control the robot with Bluetooth connection. And we give upload code to upload the code to the Arduino Nano. In this project, we are using many type of components like we are using Arduino Nano to program the robot. We using Bluetooth module to control the robot movement using Bluetooth connection. We are using ESP32 camera module to locate the child and check the how much feet the child located and movement of the child. We are using servo motor to tilt the camera in all directions like right, left, forward, backward in 360 degree. We are using gear motor to rotate the shaft. We are using L298 motor driver to rotate the motor in two directions like clockwise and anti-clockwise. We are using 12 volt rechargeable battery to give power supply to the robot. We are using nut and bolt to make a movement of up and down to open and close the flexible arm. Now we will see how the robot rescued the child. As you can see, the robot be lowered into the bowel and locate the child and check the how much feet the child located and movement of the child using the help of ESP32 camera module, and it have inbuilt LED flashlight and open the oxygen cylinder and move down the robot close to the baby hand and close the child hand gently and bring them out of the borewell. The camera and the LED flashlight ensure the operator can see inside the borewell. We can operate the robot using Pictoblox software from the tablet. In this project, we are using this concept to rescue the child from the borewell with safely. We are using 12 volt gear motor. In that motor, we connected the big gear. That big gear connected to the small gear. In that small gear, we connected this big shaft. In that shaft, we connected the bolt. In that bolt, we soldered the rectangular plate and put hole in that plate. In that hole, we connected the cycle spoke. That cycle spoke connected to the flexible arm. In this concept, the motor rotates in clockwise, the nut will be rotating anti-clockwise. So the nut will started to come downward and the flexible arm will be open. But the motor rotating in anti-clockwise, the nut will be rotating clockwise. So the nut will be started to upward direction and the cycle spoke also go upward direction and the flexible arm also close. This is a simple method to rescue the child safely from the borewell. Our project has a potential to make a real impact and save countless lives.
Unfortunately, we had seen many incidents of child falling into the borewell all over the country.
Every year, 100,000 of child falling into the borewells and growing in big problem.
With our rescuing robot, we can help to prevent a child from this tragedies and from happening.
We are dedicated to making a positive impact and hope that in the future of our project we can further develop and scale up to the reach more children in need.
We would like to take a moment to acknowledge the contribution of all the individuals who had made this project possible.
First and foremost, we would like to thank our teachers, Mr. Yogi sir and Mr. Rao sir, for their guidance and support throughout the project.
Our parents have played a significant role in supporting us and providing with us the resources we needed for this project.
We are gratefully to the management of Aditya Vidyashram Residential School for providing such a wonderful lab and participating in the Codever 2022 International Coding Project.
Finally, we would like to thank Qwins India Private Limited for providing us with the technical knowledge and the resources to develop our project.
Without the support of all these individuals, our project would not be possible. So we truly thankful for their contributions.
Thank you for being with us and we need your support to encourage us.